Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, November 1st. Let's go ahead and take a look and see if anything's going on. Swiss chard's looking pretty good. Collards, radishes, and bok choy that we planted in the middle of last winter made it all the way through the summer. They're still doing really well. So far, September lettuce and arugula have been spared by the critters. And you were here when we planted these? You were here when we planted these on September 1st? I guarantee you, if you've never grown anything in the garden, get yourself a container, put a little dirt in it, and put some radish seeds in it. In less than 2 months, you're gonna have radishes ready for the kitchen. There's really nothing like radishes right out of the garden. This is why we do it, because it tastes good.
Good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, get him. Oh, get him, get him. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. You can't have the... You can't have the... Give me the buzzer back.
You can't have the buzzer. You can't have the buzzer. Even Riley says those things don't work. It's just far too nice of an afternoon to be hauling mulch into the garden. It's better to play. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Go, good boy. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.